Hey everybody, today in reading you have a worksheet that has another Venn diagram on it, and on the back, oh, I got the wrong back. I flipped it and I had the wrong back. Here it is. On the back, it has a page that looks like this. And this page says using a glossary. Okay, we're going to start with this page, using a glossary. A glossary is something that you usually can find in the back of books for words that maybe you don't know what they mean. So it's kind of like a mini dictionary. It tells you what the meaning of the word is. So if you're struggling with a word, look in the back of the book and see if there is a glossary back there that tells you what that meaning is so that you can figure out what you're reading, okay? All right, so in our glossary today, there are 4 words. The first word, cottage. Does anybody know what a cottage is? Well, in this one, it says a cottage is a small house. The next one is a garden. Now, I have a garden, so I think I know what a garden is, but let's look at the definition. It says a place for growing food or flowers. That's what I thought it was too, but it's good to check it. Kitchen. I think we know what a kitchen is, but let's read it. A room where meals are cooked. That's what I thought it was. And the last one is roof. Some people say roof. It can be rough or it can be roof, okay? It's the top part of a house. So those are our 4 words. Now your job is to read the sentence and then pick one of those glossary words to finish the sentence. It has a blank there. So you're going to read the sentence. Now the blank is in the middle of this one, and read the rest of the sentence and figure out which one makes sense in that sentence. All right? I don't think any of those words are too hard for you to read, so I'm not going to read them for you. I want you to do this on your own. Circle the right word and then write it on the line. Okay. On the other side, I want you to pause it now and finish that part, okay? Finish that side. Now we're going to go to the other side. So your first side should be done now, and now we're going to go to the other side. This is where we see the Venn diagram. Vikings. I want you to read this whole thing and fill in the Venn diagram. If you notice, they've already got this side done for you, and they've got this side done for you. The part that you have to do is put the name at the top. Then you have to put what they both like. Okay? Vikings, when you are done with this, you can go to Epic and listen to some of those books or read some of those books. But for right now, you're shutting your computer down because you don't need me anymore. You're going to read and fill in the Venn diagram. The rest of you, we are going to read what it says at the top of this paper. It says compare and contrast, okay? And it says, my name is Kim. I hope you're following along. Get those fingers on those words because I'm not reading this for you if you're not going to follow. My sister Sarah and I both like sports. We play on our school softball team. Sarah plays right field. I play left field. Our team took first place last year. Sarah and I are on the swim team too. We swim every day. Our team has a meet each week. Sarah is best at short races. She can swim very fast for a short time. I am best at long races. I can swim many laps in a row. Dad says that Sarah and I make a good team. Okay. Now looking at our Venn diagram, this side over here says plays right field. Do you remember who plays right field? Is it Kim or is it Sarah? Or look at best at short races. So this girl plays right field and is best at short races. You fill in the name. I'm not going to tell you. You fill in the name. Plays left field, best at long races. Fill in the name. I want to know if you can go back and find that information and put the right person on the top. Then think about the things that both of those girls do together and you put them in the middle. You can go back and you can look up there and see some of the things that they both do. And when you have those lines filled in, I want this in the black bin so I can check and see if you were doing your work the right way. I am going to be keeping track of who turns this in. So everybody has to turn it in. All right, you may go.